Okay, getting ready to shoot the first coat of base on this thing. Time to shoot the clear coat. Okay, here we are, quarter panel done. Now I'm gonna get the rear bumper, tail lights and everything. I'm gonna get the rear bumper, tail lights and everything back on the rear of the car. I gotta get the car moved up to the front of the driveway so it'll be ready for pickup. And get this bitch out of here. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back on this Hellcat. As you can see, I've got the bumper back on, tail lights in it. Quarter panel's done, front end's done, hood, everything, bumper. I don't have headlights or grill. I don't have the bracket that puts this back together. I don't have the reflectors. I don't have this piece here. There's a few odd and end things I don't have, but we're done with it, or I'm done with it. He still needs that lower piece that goes on the bottom there. But as far as everything on this car, we got it back together. And if you've kept up with the videos, you knew the condition it was in when I got it. I mean, it was just wrecked on the front and the rear, tore all to pieces. The car should have been put in a junkyard. He wanted me to try to fix it. Then I got halfway done. He sold it to his cousin. Then he told me to stop working on it. The car's been here for almost 6 months. Then after telling me to stop working on it, a few weeks later, he tells me his cousin wants me to finish it. So I've finished everything that I was going to do to it. It still needs an engine oil cooler on the front. I've been waiting on that thing for months and they've never brought me one, so it's no longer my concern. I got it together. It's ready to roll. Somebody can take it and finish it and have them a really nice car. This car don't have like 38,000 miles on it. Still needs airbags. Airbag control module needs to be wiped clean or get a new one. And just odd and end pieces, and I think it'd make somebody a nice car or a decent car. I mean, it's a damn Hellcat. So 700 plus horsepower. Yeah, so there you have it. We're finishing another video on this Hellcat. This is, I thought the last one was it. This is my last video on this car. This car, as far as I'm concerned, is done. It's gone. I don't want to see it no more. I don't want no more part of it. I am done working on this thing. There you have it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Only 10% of the people who watch my videos actually hit the button. It's free of charge. Don't cost you a dime, guys. It helps me out a ton. Please, if you're watching this video, just click on the button. Make a comment. Tell me what you think about this car. I know it's kind of half-assed put together, but that's the way they wanted it. That's just the way it is. I told them, but when they brought it here, I'd do what I could, and that's what I've done. I think the car looks decent for me. I'm not a paint and body guy. I never claimed to be a paint and body guy. I just buy cars, and over the years working on them, you know, sometimes they look great. Sometimes they look like this one. This one looks better than it did when it came in, I'll say that. Again, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time, guys.